जनरली एक मिथ रहता है सबके दिमाग में दैट सीएस करने के बाद यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, दैट इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड प्रैक्टिस. बट स्कोप ऑफ सीएस इज नॉट जस्ट लिमिटेड टू एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड प्रैक्टिस, एंड सीएस आशिता गोलवाला इज अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस. Completed your बीकॉम ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम कॉलेज में अटेंडेंस इज अ बिग इशू. सो उस टाइम पे भी अटेंडेंस तो होगा इशू. हाँ. सो हाउ यू मैनेज्ड योर अटेंडेंस एज वेल एज योर सीएस का कोचिंग बोथ टुगेदर आफ्टर डूइंग सीएस? Why you enter employment and not directly practice from the first day itself? We have seen many aspirants that they do not have any favorite subject. They do not like to study at all, but they are in CS just by seeing the salaries of top company secretaries like Dev Bajpai, Savitri Parekh. उनका जो भी एक चार्म है, उनकी जो सक्सेस है, वो देखकर दे जॉइंड द कोर्स एंड नाउ ऑब्वियसली दे आर नॉट लाइकिंग द स्टडीज. बेसिकली क्या होता है, मेजोरिटी ऑफ द केसेस स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है टू क्लियर दिस कोर्स. वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक दिस जो फटाफट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर देते हैं. बाकी टू क्लियर इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इज एक्सेप्शनल व्हेन इट कम्स टू आवर कोर्स. यस. सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. देन उसके बाद इफ समवन थिंक्स दैट उसको कुछ खुद का करना है एंड स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस, तो अगेन इट रिक्वायर्स द पेशेंस ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट एटलीस्ट 2 years वी कैन से. सो वो पेशेंस वो पर्सन कैसे डेवलप करे, एंड स्पेशली द फैमिली मेंबर.
You're very sure, but destiny has its role to play.
Yes. That is
Me
a
sitting over
perfect
here, me sitting over here is one of the biggest example in my life, and I think your life also, that how
Yes.
destiny plays its role.
We would like to know that what motivated you to be a public speaker and to be in the
Now.
communication part
And
as
now
a
as a life
CS.
coach.
Yeah, and what challenges you faced in public speaking means what are the opportunities for a company secretary to be on stage and
On
to be
stage.
public speaker? Member of ICSI, then you did ICSA also.
Yeah.
So we would like to know that what is ICSA and how it helps you to build up your profile, to ladder up your profile as a CS. I would suggest to the CS aspirants that if they want to go in public speaking, what they should do, like they should go for a public speaking course or they should practice.
Not CS, what you will have been.
You passed your CS course at the age of 28, and now your family is pressurizing you for marriage, but you have so many goals in your mind and you want to achieve them. But hand in hand, family is now focusing more on your marriage. So what you will do, you will go with your goals or you will get married and then go with your goals? What you will do in this situation?
Deep breathe in, take deep breath out.
Today we are having here CS आशिता गोलवाला, and generally एक myth रहता है सबके दिमाग में that CS करने के बाद you have two options, that is employment and practice. But scope of CS is not just limited to employment and practice, and CS Ashita Golwala is a perfect example for this. She went from employment to practice and then into education sector, communication, coaching, and then life coaching. And she's not just a member of ICSI, also a member of ICSA, is a law graduate and worked as a jury, as a public speaker. So such a versatile personality, ma'am, you are. And from this, we would like to ask you a question that how you manage to be so cheerful and joyful and manage all your stress along with all the work you have done.
Because as a student कभी आपसे ये चीज नहीं पूछ पाए.
हिम्मत नहीं हुई हमारी ये पूछने की, but yes, अभी हम आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं एंड डू लेट अस नो. ये तो हमको पर्सनली जानना है.
Yes.
That how you manage your stress and be so cheerful and joyful, and whenever you enter the room gets lit actually. You pass your aura and persona to everybody.
Thank you.
How do you do that?
Okay, so my dear CS Thanvi sisters, such a creative name, and y'all are coordinating together. It looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone, and hello, all the participants and viewers who are watching this video. Thank you so much for inviting me and asking such wonderful questions that will help the future CS aspirants.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, since you asked me, ma'am, आप ऐसे कैसे इतना smile करते हो? Yes, my dear, I think it has a lot to do with a few practices that I follow. Number one, it's very important that you keep yourself associated with the people who uplift you. Yes. And it's very important to have a good equation with those people who actually support you truly and genuinely. So that plays a very important role. And everyone is you're very smart enough to bifurcate between different kind of people. Yes. So I would suggest that you surround yourself with beautiful people, with people who support you and people who uplift you. Now, there are some daily practices that I do for myself, and I would request all of you to do it for yourself as well, because that boosts a lot of self confidence. So, what I do is when I wake up in the morning, I look at myself into the mirror and I have an eye contact with myself, and I say at least 3 to 5 positive things about myself that I like or that I have observed is very good. So for an example, I might say, Ashita, wow, yesterday you managed yourself so well. You start with that.
Yeah.
You say yourself, Ashita, wow, yesterday you wrote such a good article. I'm proud of you. Or you can say, Ashita, wow, you managed your anger at that situation so wonderfully. I'm giving you a thumbs up. I'm giving you a tap on the back. You
Yeah.
motivate and self encourage
Yes.
yourself. That creates a lot of confidence. This activity I do in the morning. Now when I come to night before sleeping, what I do is I write at least 3 to 5 good things that has happened to me throughout the day. So for an example, today it would be that I had a wonderful interaction with CS Thanvi sisters. Yes, so I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for these students who are coming up, these members, not students anymore, right? So I'm so grateful for these company secretary members who are coming up with such creative concepts. So in my gratitude journal, definitely today will be your name. So
Thank you so much.
similarly, few things, that good things that have happened throughout the day, again it gives you a lot of good practice, good
Yes.
positivity. And throughout the day I keep a track of my emotions, and throughout the day I keep a track of what I speak. That is very important. Now, अरे ये हो गया, अभी नेट चला गया, बहुत गर्मी है, X, Y, and Z. The entire vibe gets created like that.
Yes.
And I feel you
Frustrated.
attract such, yeah, it gets created, and I think you will attract such people as well. You will find a person who will be like, हाँ यार, बहुत गर्मी है, So rather than that, you keep a track on what you say. You say good things, affirmations, or you avoid saying something that is negative, or you avoid saying complaining. You stop complaining, you stop crying over small things. That helps a lot. So for this, what I do is I have a jar. Okay, I have a jar, and I put one pebble inside the jar if something not so positive have come out of my mouth. So for an example, I was like, oh my god, this traffic. I put a pebble inside my jar. So I will check the jar by the end of the day. If my jar is filled with pebbles, that means I have complained a lot throughout the day and I need to reduce that thing. So I will make sure that tomorrow my jar is filled only half. And I will make sure that by the end of few days, I have not inserted a single pebble into the jar.
Very
Yes,
good.
you do this practice for the 30 days. You do this practice for 30 days, and then you see how your personality changes automatically. You will yourself feel a shift within you, and that will create a very good personality, a very good impression, and it will help you throughout your professional journey as well.
Perfect. It's a very good and a unique idea, मतलब जो सबको follow
हाँ.
करना चाहिए. And you will stop complaining from this idea and be more, having a gratitude towards what you are having. Yes, that is really very good. Really very good.
Yes. Always say half glass full, half glass empty.
That's empty. Yes.
Yeah. How are you going to shift that focus?
That bringing that into practice.
See, we are here just to guide. Ultimately, you will have to go.
Yeah, correct.
Ultimately, you
Sure.
will have to do. You can't say me, ma'am, put a pebble for me. You will have to put a pebble into the jar for yourself, right? You can't say me, Ashita, ma'am, chalo mere bare mein 3 cheezein bol do. I will say, I would love to say, but every day you will have to do that for yourself.
For yourself,
So,
yes.
ये सब चीजें as a part of guidance I can share, but ultimately you will have to practice, and you should.
Definitely, yes. Ma'am, we gone through your profile and we saw that you completed your BCom graduation. कॉलेज में अटेंडेंस इज अ बिग इशू सो उस टाइम पे भी अटेंडेंस तो होगा ही
Issue होगा
हाँ
ही.
सो हाव यू मैनेज्ड योर अटेंडेंस एज वेल एज योर CS का कोचिंग बोथ टुगेदर.
That's a very good question that you have asked. I would like all my students to choose what is comfortable for you.
Yes.
You please understand your skills. You
Hmm.
understand how sharp you are, how much studies can you manage, how much stress can you manage, and then you choose accordingly. Now, many a time what happens is that the it's a tip that is given, you follow this schedule, you wake up early in the morning, you give both the groups together. You have to go to college, you have to fulfill the attendance, you have to do law after CS. But my question to this generation and the upcoming generation is that why don't you first self understand yourself and then you plan your future accordingly? That is the biggest question that I have.
Correct. हाँ.
So, many a time students ask me, मैम कॉलेज के साथ कैसे मैच करे? Shall we give both the groups together? CS के बाद लॉ करना जरूरी है? I have a simple answer. Based on your capacity, capability, and the situation surrounding your life, you take decision on that. अभी
Yes.
किसी का कैपेसिटी होगा कि 2 ग्रुप एक साथ दे दे, 4 ग्रुप एक साथ दे दे. Now the new portion has changed, so the groups are different. But why don't you look at your life, your capacity, your qualities, your skills? How sharp are you? And based on that, you take that decision, right?
Yeah.
So, during my college, if you know that you are a very dedicated person and can study 15 hours a day, then I think managing college and CS together will go hand in hand very well.
Huh.
Because you are ready to do all the sacrifices, you are ready to maintain your personal and professional life very well. But if you are a person who can study maximum, for an example, 6 to 8 hours a day, then why are you pressurizing yourself to give all the groups together?
Yeah,
Why?
correct.
Yes. Now there are different types of classes also. There are different timings of classes also. Sometimes it's an evening batch, sometimes it's morning batch, afternoon batch. Sometimes there are recorded sessions, sometimes there are live sessions, and
Live
sometimes there are
sessions.
physical sessions. Now you are living in such an age where you have so many options that are available.
Yes.
Why don't you choose the option that suits best to you? Now, during that time, what challenge I faced was everyone were like, we will go to the classes during the afternoon batch, and once we go home, we can study very well. Just a small example. We can study at night very well. Now, I was a kind of person who is always ready to study early morning. After 7 p.m. After 7 p.m., to be very honest,
नहीं होता है.
it's not that much my cup of tea because I am exhausted from the entire day. So
Yeah.
7 बजे के बाद theory subject पढ़ना, maybe it was challenging for me. So what did I do? I was like, I will attend an evening batch, and after college, during afternoon, the time that I get, I will study during that time. So my thing is, why don't you manage your studies based on your skills, capacities, competences, and make the best choice that is suitable to you as per your current situation, and that will help you to maintain balance.
मैम दैट इज अ वेरी
That's
गुड
it.
पॉइंट विच यू हैव रेज बिकॉज आजकल स्टूडेंट्स का क्या होता है कि मेरी फ्रेंड ऐसा कर रही है तो फिर मुझे भी
Comparisons
ऐसा
में
करना है.
रहते हैं.
Comparison is the big thing in their life that my friend is
Correct.
doing LLB, that's why I have to do. They don't have their own aim that what they
Own
want to
visions
pursue.
are not clear
Clear,
that what
yeah.
they want in their life.
Yes.
Just they are going with the flow,
Going
and
with the
then
flow.
they will decide what they want in their life.
Exactly.
That
So
is
I
the
think I can set a perfect example.
Yes,
Not
definitely,
into
definitely.
employment and chosen a different CS profession altogether.
Yes, yes.
I come to me, ask me what CS can give you, and I can open you 10 different things of what CS can provide you. So it's just a matter of search and guiding and looking after a perfect mentor. And I am asking y'all that if you want help, why don't you ask for help? That's the biggest question that I have.
Yeah.
If you seek guidance, why don't you ask for guidance? You all are in a social technology era.
Yes.
You all meet different types of people from different fraternities every day. Just break that resistance, take that number, drop a message, make that call. That will make a lot of difference.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
sure.
Yeah. Basically asking to someone कि मैम कौन सा online session ले offline session ले, you analyze your situation, what is better for you, what can best
Correct.
suit you. Yes.
Yes. And if the students need help in deciding or need help in study management, there are faculties who will guide you, there are
Guide you.
mentors who will help you. And that's one of the reason why I chose life coaching as a counselor or as a CS educator, as a trainer, that if someone is getting stuck in this entire journey, I am there to help. you know.
A hand
And
holder.
that's why, yes, and that's why many students, ma'am, I don't know how to set my timetable of studying. You know, many students have come to me that, ma'am, I don't know how to set my timetable for
Timetable.
studying. Yeah, timetable for studying. Because if I give you a set of fixed timetable, सुबह 5 बजे उठना है, 10 बजे तक पढ़ना, it might not work for everyone.
Yes, yes.
You live different life, you have different capacities, you
Schedules.
have different priorities.
Hmm.
So then I help my students, okay, come over here. Tell me what is your schedule. I will help you in self-analysis. I will help you setting a timetable that will fit best for you and that will be very productive. So my
Perfect.
dear, you look at your preferences and manage it accordingly.
And ma'am, when you completed your CS, in the back of your mind, what we are feeling that you would have had that आपको हमेशा से PCS करना था, had to have your own business, something of your own, and you are as जितना हम आपको जान पा रहे हैं, you are not a job person, right? So after doing CS, why you entered employment and not directly practice from the first day itself?
Very good question. Once again, I'm very impressed by the questions that you all are asking. And to be very honest, I came with a very open mind. I didn't see what
Yeah.
questions you all are going to ask me because I wanted to be from the heart and spontaneous.
Yes, and that's all
Now,
we want.
the point that you raised, my dear, it's a very good point that I noticed after 10 years and after so many years of being in CS profession. And that was, I was not aware of my personality. Now,
Okay, self-awareness was not there.
self-awareness.
Huh.
I was not aware about my skills. I was not aware about my personality. And absolutely, it's a very different thing that I decided. I wanted to join a company once I became a CS, to be very honest. That was the dream and that was the vision through which I entered into the CS profession. You know, whenever anyone talks about CS, you always assume yourself as a KMP.
Yes.
You always, yeah. And you always imagine yourself as being in one of the top companies and you are sitting with the board of directors, handling the matters, attending in a board meeting, providing guidance, providing consultancy, and you yourself as a very reputed person, which you should because this profession is very professional. It's a very reputed profession. But the practicing journey started when I got an opportunity to start my articleship from a PCS firm. I did my articleship from a practicing company secretary firm because I was not that aware whether I want to go in employment or in practice. But one vision I had was I want to be in a company. That was my vision. But when you go for articleship, there is always a confusion whether practice or whether employment. So I got an opportunity to work in a wonderful firm of practicing company secretaries. I worked there, but always there was a vision that you want to join a company. I joined a company. But after that, due to some circumstances, I came back again into consultancy and I started my own practice. So it was never a thought that, you know, like you say that, ma'am, based on your personality, you always seem to be independent or work in a practicing firm or have your own business. My dear, I was not aware. If I would be aware at that point of time, the first thing that I would have chosen was to be in an education sector and to deal with the students and to be a public speaker altogether and to be a life coach. So I would like to say the future CS that are coming is that you please be aware of your personality, of your skills. And during the process, please focus on the subjects that interest you a lot. So while you are an executive and while you are in professionals, every subject is a stream in the CS field. You take risk management, there is a stream. You take SEBI LODR, there is a stream.
There is a stream.
Yes, my dear, now you take internal audit, there is a stream. You take secretarial audit, there is a stream. You take corporate governance, there is a stream. You take CSR, there is a stream.
Yes.
There is due diligence, there is a stream. Company law, there is a stream. My dear, so what I suggest all of my upcoming company secretaries is that you please focus a lot on the subjects that interest you and the subjects that are self-explanatory. You're very good in interpretation, they interest you a lot and you enjoy studying them. Along with that, you please focus on your skills and your personalities. Based on an accumulated decision, you please choose your stream in the CS profession.
Yeah. Yes, that's really wonderful.
Yes.
और ये काफी स्टूडेंट्स को, काफी एस्पिरेंट्स को हेल्प करेगा that they should be self-aware from the first day itself and take
Yes.
themselves into a path जहाँ पे वो हमेशा से जाना चाहते हैं. Every step should be towards your goal और कहीं पे भी भटकना नहीं है.
And basically the
Yes.
goal and the vision should be clear.
Many a time students also ask me, ma'am, PCS में जाए या company में जाए? My
Yeah.
dear, you do your homework. I would tell you.
Yes.
You do your homework and then you ask me this question. What is your goal? What is your vision? What were the subjects that you liked while you studied CS? What is your
Yes.
personality? What is your skills? And accordingly make an informed decision. Because articleship is a perfect step that will make you more comfortable while you land in any job or while you land in any employment after
True.
becoming a CS.
Yes, it's a learning period.
Yes.
But ma'am, there we have seen many aspirants that they do not have any favorite subject. They do not like to study at all, but they are in CS just by seeing the salaries of top company secretaries like Dev
Yes.
Bajpai, Savitri Parekh. उनका जो भी एक charm है, उनकी जो success है, वो देखकर they joined the course and now obviously they are not liking the studies, but कैसे तैसे करके वो पास करते हैं. So how, what advice you will give to such students?
Okay. So if finance is one of the aspect that motivates you, what's wrong in that?
Yeah.
What's wrong in that? Ultimately, the goal of every person or the goal of every student is to fulfill one dream of financial stability.
Correct.
Sure.
That the course that we choose, we should be financially independent and we should be able to serve our family or community at large, right?
Definitely.
So if finance is one of the aspect that motivates you to join any course, absolutely, it's wonderful. So it's not a taboo that you should not talk about it. It
Yeah.
can be a dream of someone that I saw this personality, they are so financially stable, and that has motivated me to become a CS.
Yeah.
Absolutely go for it.
Yeah.
Absolutely go for it. Now, if after coming into CS, if you don't like any subject, I would like to tell all of them is that you please see CS not as a proper degree or a course, you see as increasing your knowledge. I'll tell you why. CS is a mixture of number of subject. I agree more from compliances and legal point, but
Yes.
it has tax, it has accounts.
Accounts.
Yes. And throughout the journey of CS, there will be chances whereby you will get chances to develop your skills and personality also. Yes. So don't you think it's a complete package? Don't you think it's a complete package?
Absolutely.
कि
Yes.
मुझे बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट भी थोड़ा पढ़ने को आया, राइट? मुझे अकाउंट्स रिलेटेड भी थोड़ा नॉलेज मिला, मुझे टैक्स रिलेटेड भी नॉलेज मिला, मुझे लीगल कंप्लायंसेस रिलेटेड भी नॉलेज मिला, एंड नाउ द सब्जेक्ट्स आर रिलेटेड टू ESG, एनवायरमेंटल, सोशल एंड
Yeah, that is
Which
the
is-
main
yeah,
subject. Which
yeah.
has been.
Again, it is the scope has widened so much. You're talking
Yes.
about environment sustainability, you're talking about sustainable development as well. So what I suggest is it is a complete package for knowledge enhancement also.
Yeah.
CS बनने के बाद, if you want to do any business, you should have knowledge of laws, accounts, and taxes, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Basic knowledge. Basic knowledge. If you do any kind of business or you choose any profession, you do it, you choose it. Ultimately, your goal is to make financial stability. Absolutely correct. But a basic knowledge of few subjects won't harm you, my dear. And you see this course as a knowledge enhancement from a 360-degree point of view, whereby you're in a position to read the balance sheet of your competitors as well. Right? So, my dear, though you might not find the subject interesting, look at this course as a growth of knowledge,
Correct.
personal enhancement, skills
Correct.
enhancement. And when you enter any business or when you enter any market, it's always a plus point if you are an educated and if you have a professional degree.
Definitely. Perfect. Yes.
Means you are saying that the aspirants and everyone should be in the process and enjoy the process and enhance themselves in the process and do not focus too much on the results, the degree which they are getting. That is a very good message.
Yeah.
You know, after thinking of what will happen in the future once you become
Future.
a CS,
Yeah.
yeah, why don't you be in the present and enjoy
Yes.
the moment?
Correct.
That-
Yeah. Correct.
I got to know about how to incorporate a company today. You can ask your
Yes.
friends. You have LLP. I know annual filing of LLP, how it is done. You know. So it is a wonderful experience of knowledge enhancement. And once you get the degree, it can turn into very beneficial depending upon which sector that you choose as well. So be in the present, enjoy the process, develop your mind, body, personality, skills all together, and see how it helps you in future.
One of the student asked us that if he is from a middle class family and he passed CS
Wants
at
to
the
set up his own practice.
yes, he passed CS at the age of 25 or 26, and now he want to set up his practice. So how he can start with this? What advice you will give?
बिकॉज मैम बेसिकली क्या होता है, मेजोरिटी ऑफ द केसेस स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है टू क्लियर दिस कोर्स. वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक दिस जो फटाफट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर देते हैं. बाकी टू क्लियर इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इज एक्सेप्शनल व्हेन इट कम्स टू आवर कोर्स.
Yes.
सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. देन उसके बाद इफ समवन थिंक्स दैट उसको कुछ खुद का करना है एंड स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस, तो अगेन इट रिक्वायर्स द पेशेंस ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट एटलीस्ट 2 years वी कैन से. सो वो पेशेंस वो पर्सन कैसे डेवलप करे, एंड स्पेशली द फैमिली मेंबर्स, बिकॉज आफ्टर कीपिंग अ पेशेंस ऑफ सो मेनी इयर्स की एक डिग्री हमने कोर्स कंप्लीट किया, उसके बाद हाउ अ फैमिली कैन ऑल्सो सपोर्ट.
So what I would suggest is that if a person is very sure, like I said in the initial few minutes back,
Yeah.
that you should at least develop a sense that what you want to do after you become a CS, right? What is your vision? Just keep a sense of that. Now, if the person is very sure that CS बनने के बाद I'm going to go into a practice,
Practice,
be
yes.
a practicing company secretary,
Yeah.
then one best advantage is that you have articleship, right? You have internship, and you can join a firm in order to learn more how does a practice work,
Works. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now, if you are very sure that you want to start practice from the scratch, like you want to be the sole proprietor and you want to start practice from the scratch, then over here the business development, having the knowledge of how to develop business and how to make clients, how to have a client meeting, how to get the work done, what are the invoices, XYZ. So start to scratch तुमको knowledge होना चाहिए if you want to be a sole proprietor of practice, correct? Now, what I suggest my company secretary future students is that we often tend to fall into a confusion whether I should go in a company, or if I want to go into practice, should I go in a small size firm, mid size firm, or a large size firm?
Yeah.
Now, my dear, I want to ask you one question. If you want to learn from A to Z how to set up a practice, don't you think that working very closely with one of the owner of the practicing company secretary firm
Yes.
will help you to
Help you.
understand and
Yes.
develop the knowledge?
Perfect.
From the
Yes.
scratch.
So I
Yeah.
have a question. Why are you not choosing a small or a mid-sized practicing company secretary firm, whereby a lot of extra additional responsibilities will also come on you, whereby you will learn a lot on how to develop practice, bring clients, sustain clients, and the billing aspect as well, right?
Yes.
Now, a person might not show everything, like they might not disclose everything how it is run, but definitely you will get some insights which will help you to set up your own practice. Am I correct?
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
So choose the firm very wisely, looking at your aspects and what you want to do. If you want to be a sole proprietor, you should know, and these insights will help you a lot. Another thing, if you are very sure that you want to come into practice, and let's say you took a number of years to clear CS, yeah. In this journey, why didn't you make contacts and why didn't you do networking is my next question to the future.
If you are very sure from the beginning.
If you are very sure from the scratch,
Yeah.
and if you're
Perfect.
taking number of time, if you are taking a lot of time to clear, this is the time whereby at least you can start your networking.
Perfect.
And what I mean by networking is that you be in contact with other students of CS fraternity. There are programs that are conducted. You go and
Yeah.
interact with them. You share contacts. You maintain contacts. You keep sending each other updates and amendments.
Yes.
Yes.
You meet at certain seminars that are conducted at a professional level. Yes, you help each other. You solve doubts of each other. You send each other, certain kind of help. It's like pure networking. And
There are
if
lots
you
of
network by
There are lots of groups also now, WhatsApp groups, where they can.
WhatsApp group, yes, and there are physical seminars also that are conducted.
Yes, yes,
You
definitely.
all institute conduct so many programs, correct? So my dear, why don't you make contacts during those programs
Yes.
with different faculties, participants, institute? I think that will help a lot. And once you land into practice and once you start marketing, okay, now I'm into practice, I've qualified company secretary and I'm into practice and this is my COP. I think because of the networks and relations that you have developed, you might get few work initially.
Yes, yes,
And to set an
definitely.
initial base, my dear, you will have to work at a flexible win-win situation. You know, you have to be very sure that your client one has come to you, he stays with you, he does not go, and you are ready to serve them. Relationship building is initial, money will follow
Yes.
accordingly. Yes. And my
Correct.
dear, I think family support will definitely be there if they know that you are doing something very fruitful.
Yeah. And you are serious about your goals.
You are serious about it, yes. Now, from the financial aspect, yes, there might be some challenging things. For that, there are multiple options. It depends upon the situation and it
Yeah.
depends upon the choice that you take for the financial stability.
Hmm.
But networking from initial aspect and joining a PCS firm for articleship and the size of firm will help you a lot if you have decided to be a practicing company secretary.
So basically, it is very important to be clear what we want to do as a company secretary.
Yes.
So उसी के towards फिर अपने सारे steps होने चाहिए. Whether we want to go into employment, तो उस हिसाब से होना चाहिए. We want to go to practice, तो starting से we should start with the networking.
Correct.
Right. So
Correct.
yeah.
And let me tell you, sometimes you are very sure, but destiny has its role to play. Yes.
That is
Me
a
sitting over
perfect
here, me sitting over here is one of the biggest example in my life, and I think your life also, that how
Yes.
destiny plays its role.
Very
So what
important.
I want all the future CS is to, you have a goal and that will
Yes.
help you to take a step forward each and every
Hmm.
time. But then if you are ready to experiment and try and error,
Hmm.
keeping a mindful decision, okay,
Hmm.
keeping a thoughtful decision,
Yes.
not taking too risky, too big decision, changing decision, you might take if your situations support that. If your
Support.
surroundings
Yeah.
support, you might take that leap of
Yeah.
faith. But depending upon situation, if you can take a bit of try, error and experience and experiments, you can be free to do that as well. So keep an open mind. The goal is to reach that goal, but after you reach that goal, you should not stop.
Yes.
You should
Yes.
keep on growing.
Hmm.
You should keep
Hmm.
on moving forward.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we would like to know that what motivated you to be a public speaker and to be in the
Now.
communication part
And
as
now
a
as a life
CS?
coach.
Yeah, and what challenges
Okay.
you faced in public speaking means what are the opportunities for a company secretary to be on stage and
On
to be
stage.
public speaking?
Okay. So what motivated me? I did a lot of searching throughout my CS journey. And you
Hmm.
might have seen from my introduction and profile.
Yes,
I did a
yes.
lot of searching because somewhere something was missing. I went in a company, there was a void. I went into
Hmm.
practice, there was a void. And I remembered that I did not know what is this fill in the blank. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये कमी क्या है. So I kept on searching for a number of years.
Hmm.
But not just sitting home and searching, that won't help,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that won't help.
Hmm.
Many people, I don't know what I want to do. You go out, you will understand what you want to do.
Yeah.
You go out, you struggle, you meet people, you walk through the journey, you interact, and keeping the financial stability and all the aspects in mind, you take a choice, you make a decision.
Correct.
Right? Yeah. So you have to be mindful of that as well. But I did a lot of searching. Public speaking, I was always interested, since a very long time. Since my school days, I would like to say the mic and the
Oh.
stage fascinated me a lot. Like I was like, jana hai, karna hai, acha lagta hai, it
Yes,
feels
yes.
good. That was the only thing. Because during school, you don't understand. That time, I did not understand what is passion.
हाँ.
तो एक चीज पता थी, अच्छा लगता है,
अच्छा
उतना
लगता
ही
है.
पता था,
Yes.
अच्छा लगता है, उतना पता था. But a lot of challenges, of course. You start shivering, the voice starts shivering, your hands start shivering, your legs start shivering, and sometimes you feel that you will not be able to utter a word out of your mouth when you see number of people staring at you, my dear. I can totally understand. But one thing is for sure that अगर अच्छा लगता है तो छोड़ना क्यों? That's the only thing.
Yes.
अगर अच्छा लगता है तो give up क्यों करना? And to be very honest, apart from this, what you like, a company secretary or be it any profession, you should have the confidence to go and speak.
That is very
So
important.
That is very important.
Yes.
स्टेज पे बोलो या नीचे खड़े रह के 10 लोगों के सामने बोलो इन अ टीम, या फिर वन ऑन वन अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखो, वो confidence is very important. So I
Yes.
think it starts from down, that is interacting with a person one on one, interacting with a group,
Group.
and then you reach that stage level.
Yes.
So what I started from the down. I did not give up again and again. I was vocal. I put myself into situations where I get a mic and where I get a stage to present
Yes.
myself. I have done few incidences have happened that has nervoused me a lot, whereby I became a lot of there was nervousness and I became very anxious and I was
Anxious.
stressed. But if you give up, then what's the point of you starting?
True.
You went on stage with some level of confidence and now you're like, okay, I don't want to do it. Why? Then why did you go on
say?
stage?
Yeah.
Why
Yes.
did you start? If you have started, you finish. Like if you start CS, you finish it,
Yeah.
right? You start
Correct.
a profession, you finish it. You start a journey, you complete it. There is always a start and an end. So why did you start it if you don't want to end and excel in it, right?
So that reason should be very strong.
Strong.
The reason should be very strong.
Yeah.
And there was always a likingness, and I put myself out there again and again, and that has brought me as a public speaker. Now, to those who are interested in public speaking, once you become a CS, education sector is extremely good. Yes. Apart from that, there are so many committees that you can take part of. There are so many organizations that you can take part of. And you can choose a stream whereby you go and you are able to present yourself. For an example, there are so many works where you have to go and present yourself for your client, for your company. So if you
Yes.
like public speaking, if you like public speaking, apart from education, apart from voluntary taking part in committees and organization, why don't you choose a stream in CS that allows you to go and present yourself in front of people for your clients and companies? I think that will also satisfy your eagerness to go and do public speaking.
Like NCLT representations.
Yeah, you got it. Yes.
Yes.
And there are so many organizations in the companies altogether. There are so many committees and events that happen. You can always contribute to that as
Yes.
well. So, like I say, there is always something in this profession that will satisfy the need that you want, right? Now,
Yes.
I had the need of public speaking, and see how beautifully the journey has turned from being into employment to practice into education sector.
Yes.
Education sector, and from education sector, a soft skill trainer. I'm CS educator. Now, why I went into soft skill? Because I saw that there is an area where students need professional skill development.
Yes. Yes.
And why into life coaching? Why into life coaching? Chalo, CS पढ़ाना एक बात, skill development एक बात, but a person needs another person who will hold hands and allow you to walk throughout the journey of your life.
Yes.
And me being a CS student, I wished I would have
Have such a person.
Even we feel that.
कोई मुझे बताता तुम्हें क्या पसंद है, कोई मुझे पूछता कि तुम्हें
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस जाना है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जाना है, व्हाट आर योर लाइफ
हाँ.
डिसलाइक्स. तो मेरी लाइफ में जो fill in the blank था, I want to fill that blank in the lives of my students. And
Very
that's why
nice.
I added a
वो
fill.
जल्दी fill हो जाता. Fill in the blank.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have done being a member of ICSI, then you did ICSA also.
Yeah.
So we would like to know that what is ICSA and how it helps you to build up your profile, to ladder up your profile as a CS.
Okay. So ICSA, it's like you study the entire course from an international level,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
So you are well versed. Once you become a CS, you are well versed with the company law.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're well versed with company law. But that is applicable to Indian companies.
Hmm.
What if you want to explore your wings and go beyond the company law that is applicable to India? You
Hmm.
want to work in a multinational corporate, or you want to handle global compliances. Then I think studying from that aspect will help you a lot. It
Hmm.
is like a knowledge enhancement
Yeah.
course, and it will definitely help you to understand international laws from companies act and corporate governance point of view, and it can widen your scope of work. So it's extremely a very good thing that if you are in a particular organization where you are handling such kind of work, doing this educational course or a qualification will add value.
Add value.
That
Yeah.
is will add value. So it's like a value adding thing that you can do, especially those aspirants who want to go out of India, they want to settle abroad. I would recommend them that if they are into the CS profession, then you can carry forward with this particular educational qualification as well.
So, ma'am, what you would suggest to the CS aspirants that if they want to go in public speaking, what they should do? Like they should go for a public speaking course, or they should practice. Means, as you said, that you put yourself in such certain spots and you practice public speaking rather than doing any course. So, what you suggest to them? They should go for a course or keep on practicing. That will improve their skill, or the course will improve the skill.
Okay. So first of all, CS Thanvi sisters, let's
Hmm.
clap, 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 clap. Because this is a very wonderful question that you have asked, my dear. Now, the one question I want to ask you and all the viewers who will be watching this video is that
Yeah.
what stops you from public speaking?
Basically, the
What
image,
stops?
that how we will look and everyone will stare at us.
Image conscious.
Image conscious, and what if we go blank? That is the
Okay.
most important thing.
Okay. Now, then I want to ask, why are you image conscious?
Because in our mind we think we have an image, but actually we don't. But we think that in the room we have an image.
What happens generally is that we go through a number of experiences
Yes.
through which our confidence shakes a bit, right? And when you say, ma'am, whether practice or whether a course, I would tell you and suggest you first you find out the reason of why you are not that confident on stage. Now, once you understand the reason, you can solve that reason. And once you solve that reason, directly or indirectly, it will help you in your main issue, that is public speaking. I hope it made sense.
Yes,
Yes.
You first find out the actual reason that why are you fearing? Why do you have the fear of public speaking? You solve that reason, and then you see automatically it will help you in gathering confidence for public speaking. Doing a course, I would recommend, but first I would recommend you to solve and bring solution to the reason that is hidden behind the
Yes.
fear. Yes. You solve that reason, simultaneously you join a course, and simultaneously you practice. So it's all together. Now, if you join a course, you would be aware about the do's and don'ts, and you would have a knowledge. A theory knowledge is extremely important, but
Yeah.
then comes the practical knowledge also, right? So, like in CS, you study
We
from your
have-
study material, but there is articleship,
Yes.
right? And my dear, if you do articleship and if you study, let's say simultaneously, you will understand, oh, companies have talked about this section. Oh, in reality, it has to be done
It
like this.
applies like this.
Yes.
Yeah. So, first step, solve the reason of the fear. Next step, join a course that helps you to practice as well. So there are number of courses that are available that provides you that kind of practice along with theory, practical knowledge, and they help you practice. You know, I myself, whenever any student comes to me and they say, ma'am, public speaking, I have an issue or communication, I'm like, okay, I'll give you theory. Okay, I'll tell you few things, but now you have to apply. I'm the interviewer. You have come to me for an interview. Now there is a setup. And I'm going to ask you 10 questions. Now let's see. And at that time, I will be like an interviewer and help my student practice. So that is extremely important. Doing things simultaneously, that is course plus practice. But along with that, my dear, find out the reason and solve the reason.
मैम बेसिकली आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं आपके सेशन में बैठी थी एंड एट दैट टाइम आई वाज वेरी शाय एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि यहाँ पे कौन कौन मतलब क्लासरूम में बहुत ज्यादा शाय है टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्लास एंड आई रेज माय हैंड एंड आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन द फर्स्ट बेंच एंड यू मतलब आपने बोला पूरी क्लास को बोला था कि जस्ट क्लैप फॉर दिस गर्ल बिकॉज शी इज ready, at least she is ready to come out of the comfort zone and work on her. So yes, that at that time I was shivering, my hands were shivering, my legs were shivering, but yes, I can remember that you have really motivated me for at that time.
So I have pushed you to come.
Yes,
on stage.
definitely you pushed. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Okay, great.
Ma'am, just give your final message and a final advice to the CS
CS
aspirants,
aspirants.
that what advice you can give which can make their journeys for becoming a CS better.
Better, yeah.
How we can make their journey better.
Okay. So the first advice, if you need help, ask for help.
Hmm.
If you need guidance, ask for guidance.
Hmm.
Break that resistance. The resistance might give you 100 reasons for not messaging or for not calling a mentor,
Hmm.
but just do 1, 2, 3 and make that call.
Yeah.
Just do 1, 2, 3, get up and go and drop that message.
Hmm.
Very important. There are people to guide you, take guidance, right? Number 2, understand yourself. Understand your qualities, capabilities. That will not only help you in study management, but will also help you in choosing a path once you become a CS. And the last is enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
Keep smiling throughout the journey. There are so many beautiful things out there. Don't stop yourself from achieving those things. Destiny plays a very important role. So have faith and trust the process.
Amazing.
So, ma'am, finally, we are having a segment that is Tol Mol Ke Bol.
yes.
So, उसमें I will be asking you some questions. If not CS, what you will have been?
Oh.
If not
If
CS,
not CS,
what you will have been? Other.
I would. Okay. Okay. Now, you have kept me in a very tough spot. See, being a CS or any which other ways, I would have been where I am right now. I would be an educator, I would be a trainer, and I would definitely be a life coach.
Great.
Great.
So whatever you do not have any cash in your mind. Whatever you wanted, you are already
You are
there.
there.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I'm not there yet. It's a
Okay.
very long journey.
Yeah.
And the vision
Yes.
is very long,
Yeah.
but I'm somewhere near.
Yes.
I would like to say
Yes.
that.
That
Yeah.
is very important.
Very nice.
Yes.
Ma'am, one more out of the box situation, that imagine that you passed your CS course at the age of 28, and now your family is pressurizing you for marriage, but you have so many goals in your mind and you want to achieve them, but hand in hand family is now focusing more on your marriage. So what you will do? You will go with your goals, or you will get married and then go with your goals? What you will do in
What
this
you will do,
situation?
yeah.
I started the session by saying one thing, that you surround yourself with people who support you.
Hmm.
So the life partner has to be a person who supports you in whatever decision you take. So that is my
Hmm.
answer to your question.
Okay.
Okay. So you will get married to a person who is supportive, and you will go with your goals. Perfect. Very nice answer.
Ma'am, one last situation. What if you are standing in front of, say, 1,000 people in front of you,
Hmm.
and you are having a seminar, you are having a session, and you have been blank in your mind.
Yeah, your brain freezes completely.
Your brain freezes completely.
What you will do in
How
this
you will
situation?
handle this thing?
Okay, great. Don't you think it has happened? It happens.
It's not imaginary, definitely.
It's not imaginary. This is a real life situation that you are asking me. My
Yeah.
dear, it happens. It has happened. And in that situation, what do? I take a moment.
Hmm.
I take a moment. I take a deep breath. I sip water.
Hmm.
And I focus on the present situation. So what do I focus on? I immediately go and focus on the topic that I'm talking about. So what I'm trying to say is, I take a break, I have a sip of water, I take a moment for myself. In that moment, a very short span of time, I relax myself and I say it's okay in the mind that okay. I take a sip of water and I immediately see the topic that I am speaking on. Now, why do I see the topic? I am so confident on what I am saying that I don't need a slide as well. Do you get it?
Yes,
So
yes.
I am that aware of my topic and I'm that prepared for my topic that I might not need a slide, a next slide or a sub topic के हाँ अभी इस पे बोलना है. If I am just in sync with my topic, even if I go blank, I would remove a next subtopic to continue my session.
Yes.
So, what I am suggesting the viewers and the participants is that you be that comfortable and that well prepared with your topic that you don't need any cue cards, tips, or any slides
Yes.
or any subtopic. Even if you go blank, you see your topic and you say, "Oh, I'm so comfortable speaking on this." You take a moment and you start again. I think that is going to help you a lot.
So preparation automatically brings confidence.
Preparation and knowing your topic well.
Topic.
Well.
And even if you don't know the answer to the question, if someone has asked you, you can definitely say, I will get back to you.
Get
I'll
back
do
to
a bit
you,
more
yes.
research and get back to you. You can have
Perfect.
my contact, you can have my number, or you can give me your number. My team will get back to you, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ma'am, the thing you said that you do not need a slide to speak on, this is
Correct.
something which both of us have experienced. The one speaker जिनके सेशन में हम कभी बोर नहीं होता था बिकॉज यू वो स्लाइड पे क्या चल रहा है उससे कोई लेना देना है नहीं
हाँ.
यू आर जस्ट स्पीकिंग योर हार्ट आउट इट इज रियली वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस द थिंग व्हिच यू आर सेइंग सो
Yes.
amazing
Amazing.
Yes.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your time and coming
Yes.
here and sharing such precious insights with everyone. It is really going to help lot of people.
Yes.
And the initiatives which you are taking personally, like you are into life coaching, being in education sector, this is
Is also
really a
commendable.
very, very commendable. Would like to clap for that for you. That is really great.
Yes.
And thank you so much that you came here, and we are very glad to have you here.
Yes.
Thank you
To
so
shoot
much.
our first episode with
Yeah,
you.
you are the first one with whom we
Alright.
are.
Yes, yes.
Very
That
good.
will always be.
I'm pleased. I'm students. It was lovely sharing my insights, and I wish I appear at such more sessions. And whatever knowledge and experience I have gathered, I wish to share more and more. Okay. So on that note, shall we wrap up this
Yes, yes.
session with a quick
Sure.
activity?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am, sure.
So what I generally do is that I want you to take a deep breath in. Take deep breath out. Once again, take deep breath in. Breathe out. Think of one wow moment out of this entire seminar or session that we had. That one highlight, aha, bolte hai na, aha moment. So think about that aha moment. And once you think about that moment, automatically you will have a wonderful smile on your face, like you are smiling right now.
Yeah.
Think about it. Okay. So these are the few things that you keep on doing to keep yourself motivated and positive. Yes. So it was a pleasure being here and see you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
We
you.
would also like to make more such like sessions with you.
Yes,
and
yes.
We'll meet soon.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
Chalo. Goodbye, my
Bye,
dear
bye,
girls.
bye,
Yes,
bye.
Auntie sisters, you're doing great. All the very best. Keep going. Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
Bye,
so
bye.
much, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.